class. Good afternoon. Our topic today is nervous coordination. What is nervous coordination? Most that have heard this topic over the years, and it's so unfortunate that they don't know much about the details. What nervous coordination is all about. Alright? This is the system that coordinates all the activities, both voluntary activities and involuntary activities around the human body. Alright? And it's the system of nerve. You guys have heard of the system called the nervous system. We have the brain. Okay. The nervous system here, we have the central nervous system, the one we have on the board. This is the central nervous system, alright? It is called the central nervous system because it is found at the central part of the body, alright? For example, this is human skeleton, as you can see, okay? The central part of this skeleton here is the head, alright? And this part, but the bone we have here is the sternum, alright? The head of the sternum here is called the mandible in anatomy, alright? But here at the back, we have the vertebral column. You understand? Vertebral column is also known as the backbone, okay? But whenever we're looking at the central nervous system, these systems are housed in the brain box, which is the skull, and the vertebral column, alright? We have the brain in the skull, then we have the spinal cord run inside the vertebral column, alright? You should know that spinal cord is a fibrous tissues, alright? Run inside the vertebral column. Okay, like I said here, this is the brain here, this part here. From here to here is the human brain, alright? This is the spinal cord. Okay, the brain and the spinal cord make up the central nervous system. Okay, so today we are going to look at the brain and the spinal cord. Now look at the chart of the nervous system here. We have the nervous system being divided into two. We have them as the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is divided into two. We have them as the brain and spinal cord. Alright? The peripheral nervous system is divided into two here, which are the autonomic nervous system and the somatic somatic nervous system. Okay, the autonomic nervous system here is classified into sympathetic and parasympathetic. Okay, we have the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. This is the chart of the nervous system. The central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, the brain, you can call this and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, in the central nervous system here we have the brain and the spinal cord, the one I showed you here. Alright, then here we have the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system here is found at the peripheral part of the body. Alright, please let me know that, okay? The peripheral nervous system The system of nerve found at the peripheral part of the body. That is, other part of the body outside the central part. Okay? You know what the central part is? It includes the brain and spinal cord. Alright. So we have the system of nerve around the body because, like I said before in the beginning, that the nervous system here connects impulses around the body. They communicate with different parts of the body in order to send signals. Alright? For effective physiology of the body. Without nervous system, we are useless. Do you understand? Human being is classified as the most intelligent animal on earth because of our well-developed brain. Do you understand? What makes us an intelligent animal is the brain. Hope you know that. Alright. So now we're going to look in details the physiology, alright, the functions of the nervous system, how the nervous system is classified into different levels, the structures found at different levels of the nervous systems, and the functions. Alright? Whenever I say function, I mean physiology. Okay? Alright. Hope you got it. Okay? This part of the brain here, you know, this is the eye socket, alright, the orbit. Then this is the nasal cavity, alright? This is the facial part of the human skull. Do you understand? Yes. This human skull here, we divide it into two. We have the cranium. Look at the cranium here. You know, this bone here is the mandible. Mandible is lower jaw, alright? This is mandible. Other part of the skull without the mandible is called the cranium. Do you understand? Do you have brain in this part of the body? Does this bone cover brain? No, right? Yeah. We don't have brain here. So the brain is housed inside the cranium and not the skull. Do you understand? It's an anatomical terminology. Alright? We have this cranium. The cranium is the brain box. Alright? While the cranium plus mandible gives you the skull. Alright? So what does that mean? It means that the cranium is the skull without mandible. Alright? And this is the part of the human body that contains the human brain. We call it the brain box. Do you understand? The brain box, that's the cranium. Alright? So now we're going to remove this part now. Let's face. Let's look at the structures in the brain. Hello class. Let's look at the nervous system, the central nervous system. Okay? First, I'm going to look at the brain. This is the brain. Okay? Then this is the spinal cord. Now, first of all, we're going to look at different levels of the brain. Alright? Human brain is divided into 3 different levels. Okay? Here we have the forebrain. This is the forebrain. Okay? Then here we have the mid brain. And then here, this is the head. These are the 3 different levels of the human brain. Okay? The forebrain, the midbrain, and the head brain. Alright? Whenever you hear the word the fore, like the forehead, fore means what? Upper. Okay? Fore means what? Upper. Hand means lower. Alright? Then this one here, the mid. Mid is the short term for middle. Okay? Like mid-term test. The test that normally comes towards the middle of the term. Mid-term test and the mid-term break. Alright? So mid is the middle. We call it the mid-brain because it is found at the middle part of the human brain. Okay? Alright. Then we are going to look at different structures. We're going to look at the structures in the forebrain, structures in the midbrain, structures in the hindbrain, okay, and their function. In biology, we relate structures to function. Okay? Here in the forebrain, we have olfactory lobe. Olfactory lobe. Alright? Secondly, we have the cerebrum. Thirdly, we have the thalamus. Fourth, we have the hypothalamus. Okay? Here in the midbrain, we have only one structure in the midbrain here called the optic lobe. Alright? This is the optic lobe. Then in the midbrain here we have 3 structures too. 3 structures that we have is number 1 is cerebrum, cerebellum. Alright, this structure here. This is cerebellum. Okay? The cerebrum, olfactory lobe, thalamus part, the cerebrum, the hypothalamus that is connected to the pituitary gland here. This structure here is pituitary gland. It is connected to the hypothalamus. Then after the cerebellum here in the hindbrain, we have the pons varolai, as seen in some of our textbooks. Alright? Then here is medulla oblongata. Alright? Then the medulla oblongata here continues downward as the spinal cord. The spinal cord. Okay? That is it for now.